Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've just started washing one of my fidgets. I guess I'll show you. Yeah. So wait, first let's get the towel. Good old trusty towel, you know, helps us out every time. Oh god, okay, there we go. We have the towel set. We have the iPad set. Okay, first puppet. To go down, maybe Mr. Purple Puppet. Next is Mr. Purple Doggy Puppet. Next is White and Blue Puppet. Next is Yellow Lobster Puppet. Next is my tie-dye square plastic puppet. Dimple. Mini yellow chick puppet. Triple dimple fidget spinner. Oh no, I got hand. Shoot. Next, gobble. I didn't really have one gobble, but that's okay. Next, triple dimple. Splat. Next, monkey noodle. Ew. Next, simple dimple. Next, my two emojis. So, my grey cat one and my blue blobfish one. Time to go. Okay, I have to show you how dirty this water is. Let me just get these all back. Oh, it's all wet. Okay, first let me just get you. Let me turn the camera and let me just show you. That is disgusting. Ew, my fidgets, ew. But now they're all clean. Okay, well, let's start washing them one by one. Okay, oh wait, no, these are facing the wrong way. Oh no, I pressed it twice. Okay, first, I guess I'll dry my globble, because why not? I'm gonna dry all the smaller stuff first, because like, why not? This feels amazing. Let's see if it sticks. Oh my god, guys, it does. Yay, it sticks better than it did. Oh, yay, it sticks. That's fidget number one in the dry area. Next, I'll dry my grey mochi, I guess. I'm gonna put flour on my two mochis. So I'm gonna be doing that in this video, so yeah. Watch that. Next, my blue blobfish mochi. There it is. Next I'll do my textured monkey noodle. Oh! Okay guys, so you are probably asking me how many like puppets, like a big dimple counts and mini puppet counts. Like triple dimples and simple dimples don't count them. This is dry. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's cool. Next I'll dry my simple dimple. I hope this dries well, because like I really want this to dry properly. Do you get me? Oh my god, that dried so well. Okay, time to dry my triple dimple. Oh my god! Drying my triple dimple. Okay. No, dimple, go away. Triple dimple fidget spinner. Don't know how this is gonna go. That was me. I didn't fart. But I can just sometimes make weird noises without even wanting to. That's done. Now we'll do the mini puppet. Mini puppets are really hard to dry. And so are puppets in general. They're super hard to dry. Like, there. get in between the little holies. But I think this is quite dry, so I'd say that'll do. Still dry my dimple. Dry my dimple, dry my dimple. Dimple, dry my dimple.
Well, if you want to open, I'm just getting my phone.
My doggy puppet. Oh, splashing everywhere. Doggy puppet. Oh my god, I have to make all the rest of the puppets over here. Ugh. Okay. Oh my god, guys. It's so hard to dry this. But I have a technique that makes it a tiny bit easier. Like, not by that much though. Ugh. Oh, it's just dry. Yes, guys, I slightly have tiny little anger issues. Not the like really bad types, but I get mad at everything really, really easily. Oh, now I have to dry the whole of the other side. It's just the soap that annoys me, I swear. Okay, guys, the puppets are really hard to dry, so I don't know if I can be bothered to dry them because, you know, I'm lazy. I'm a lazy pig. Bum, 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 bum. I'm a lazy, lazy pig. Okay, that's going to be the last bit for the doggy pop-up. You ain't getting no more attention. Oh, well. Plastic popper. There's literally was a stone in it. I swear. Okay, let's get our little technique. Dry, 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 dry. Don't mind my horrible meek singing. It's very neat. Okay, throw it in. That's all dried because I couldn't be bothered to dry any more of it. But yeah. So first I just like to do that, get the good out. Oof. Then I pop all the bubbles down. And I start to dry. Yeah. So wet. Fuzz. I hate this. I regret this. Oh, I can't do this. Like, look, there's a river of wet in this one. Shake it off, shake it off. Oh, shake it off, shake it off. Oh, oh. Okay, yeah. People gotta shake, 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 Shakespeare. Wait, I wanna try play with this mochi, see how sticky it is. Ah, it's so sticky. I wanna feel this. Oh, the leg just came off. No, it cut off her. Oh, another one. No, I don't want to pull off the legs. Now there are 2 legs missing. Oh, you know what, I might as well just take off these 2 as well. And these will look a bit better. Oh, disgusting. Guys, my thing looks very awkward and weird. But yeah, I only have to dry my like 5 more things and then I'm done. Okay. Next thing. Ew. There's still dirt in this one. I'm gonna have to get it with the towel. No, I give up. Oh. I hate my life so much. But I love my fidgets. And I love horse riding. And I love like kiwis and bananas and stuff like that. But like, yeah. They're the only things I really like in life. You know. And I love YouTube as well. Yeah, I'm done drawing now. I love the global. Anyways, I'm gonna go put these all back in the box. Except for the 2 mochis. Because I'm gonna have to put flour on them. Oh my god, no, I can't. Oh guys, I'm gonna have to stack again. Guys, bringing out the fidgets. I dropped the mini carpet, but I'm just gonna kick it. Oof. Oof. Kick you. Kick. 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 I know you can hear this. Sorry it took so long. I just wanted to do something. Oh, it's all wet. Okay. Anyways, it's 2 sticky, very sticky mochis. Mochi cats. They're super yummy. Okay, let's try teleport. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're downstairs. Let's try teleport in the kitchen. Oh wow, we made it. Hi, Mommy. I need to put flour on these because they're sticky.
I don't have any, I don't think. Have you got salt?
Just salt how?
Salt. Do you want to make a big salad tonight, Fiona?
Yeah.
So we have a lot of olives and...
Okay, yeah, but do we have like a little pinch of flour that I can use? So I can like... Mochi.
Okay. See, Mom,
I'm gonna do it over like a bowl or something. This container? Okay. Put the mochis on the plate. Ooh. Wait, put it there and then I'll roll the mochis around in it.
Not enough?
I don't know. Maybe it
Try.
Okay.
It's a lot of flour. He's not gonna get it all. I think that's more than enough. Yeah, or else it will be too weird then.
Okay guys, the flour's been put on this one. I'm just gonna like remove it, like not make it look like I've packed it with flour. But yeah, it's not sticky anymore. It's really nice. This one is so sticky, so roll it around in flour.
Queste grosse.
Oh, yeah.
Con queste cioè ci si può fare.
Oh, so satisfying.
Queste vanno messe in forno.
I'm just like rubbing it around the Christmas tree. Have a happy. Why am I singing Christmas songs? But anyways, oh my God, this is oh yes. Oh wow, these mochis feel so nice. I love these. I have no idea which one I like more though. Cute fish blob or mochi fell. Cute cat. They're super yummy. I'm just gonna roll them around in some more because I want them to be extra non-sticky. Do you get me? Anyways.